This is how our filler looks all dried up. See, we don't have any wet spots to go through. It looks much different from yesterday. I don't like the sand wet filler. This gums up the paper more. I just had a problem with this camera, the battery dying fairly fast when I do like time lapses. So I'm gonna try out something to change that. This is a Festool battery charger. So we want to put here up onto our camera. This is then going to allow us to remotely just charge it so we don't have to be close to a power outlet. Go ahead and plug that in and set up our tripod here, and that allows us to have remote power. Move ourselves around here. Daughter's favorite part of yesterday's video is the fuzzy cam, so we're gonna try it out again. We are all set with second cut. That's kind of how it looks. We got our edges all sanded. Get that all kind of cleaned up. We're gonna get ready for coatings tomorrow. Still deciding on this black area. This is our closet. Turned out real nice. Nice and light. This is our bedroom. Pretty dark in here, but you can see all things are done. We'll see you tomorrow for some coatings.